December 5th, 2007. Uh-oh. Whoa! Yikes, that was a little crazy. Okay.
Sorry, I was watching the surfer.
Wow. Okay. Almost got a little wet there.
Alright, baby, I gotta go.
Okay, I'm on video right now. Bye.
Bye, have a good day.
See you later today. Tiffany taking off to work. It's about 7:15 in the morning. Let's see if we can get another big wave here. Come on. Okay, here comes a big set right now. Attention here. Got the news stations in back of us, and I almost got wet again. Alright, back out. There's a big wave. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, it's coming up again. Here it comes. Boy, the tide is rising today. Alright. Signing out now. Before we get too wet.